Hi guys, it's me. Today I am here with the Jeffree Star Blood Money palette, and this is a palette that came out a while ago. So I'm here with the Jeffree Star Blood Money palette. This came out a while ago, but it is definitely still available on the Jeffree Star website. But I actually picked this up at a Nordstrom rack for a very discounted price, like almost half. I didn't want to pay 50-something for an eyeshadow palette that's mainly green since I don't use a lot of greens, but for the $34 that I got it for, definitely wanted it. So this is what the outside packaging looks like. Really cute. And I haven't swatched any of the colors yet. Of course, when it first came out and whatnot, I watched videos of people swatching it, so I do kind of know what it looks like, but I have not personally swatched this palette yet. So here's what the actual palette looks like. A little protective thing there. And I love this alligator print that's on it and the details on the side. So cute. And then you push this together and lift to reveal the palette. Y'all, I am so sorry. Enzo is having a fit today, but I can't put him outside, so we're just gonna have to listen to him. But look how gorgeous that is. Hope you can see the shade names. But yeah, super, super pretty. Like I said, I wanted it because of several shades in here that are neutral and really pretty, like these two down here. These two are really pretty. I mean, they're all gorgeous, but like I don't use a lot of green, so I couldn't write paying the full price for a total green palette. But anyway, I have it now. I'm really excited, so I'm going to swatch it for you in this video. I have a makeup wipe down here to clean my hands each time, so here we go with the first row. Here we have the first 6 eyeshadows from top to bottom. They are Divine Intervention, Mint Condition, Chameleon Fetish, Poison Ivy, Make It Rain, and Crocodile Tears. Honestly, all of these shades are really, really pretty. That was like one swirl and one swipe swatches, so I mean, the normal Jeffree Star quality, which is amazing. And I don't know if it's really picking up super well on camera, but this has like a very like green teal shift. It's not really showing up too well on camera, but it's gorgeous, gorgeous in person. From top to bottom: Equity, Money Heist, CEO, Emerald Estate, Heavy Weighted, and Jaded. So my notes from swatching this line and also the one before, the shade Poison Ivy and Emerald Estate are a little bit different formulation than everything else, and they're very a lot more like creamy and maybe like packed heavier. I'm not sure if they are a different formulation. Well, I mean, they have to be a different formulation, but I think they would work a lot better on the eyes than actually swatching. You can see how pretty with the glitter. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous shades. And you can't really tell on camera here, but this definitely has a nice teal shift to it also, and it's really, really gorgeous. And you guys forgive me, I'm still kind of working on my swatching and how I can get it to come off on camera as realistic as possible, and also what part of my body to swatch on, because normally when I'm swatching, I'll swatch on the underside of my arm, but like this is a really weird like position. So, you know, we're just working with it today. Okay, last row. Alright, so again, top to bottom, the shades are Private Island, Self-Made, Tax-Free, which, oh my gosh, swatched like a dream. Persuasion, which you can see that one's just the tiniest bit patchy in the swatch. I don't think it's going to be an issue on the eye. Secret Stash, and Black Card Limit. But can we just take a second for the shade Secret Stash? Like, holy cow, that was one like tiny swirl, and oh my gosh, that was the lightest swatch ever, and look how gorgeous. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So that was all 18 swatches of the Blood Money palette. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully this helped you make a decision of whether or not you want to purchase the palette or not. Also, I did find in my researching that you can order this off the Nordstrom Rack website for $34 and some odd cents. So if this is a palette that maybe you were like me, you were interested in it, but it's not your typical, and you didn't want to spend, what is it, 52, I think it's regular $52, but you would spend 34, go to Nordstrom Rack's website and you can place your order there. They also had several other palettes like Jawbreaker, Cremated, I think they had Blue Blood there on their website as well, but all for close to half price. So I'm definitely glad that I picked this up, and in all honesty, if I could have personally swatched it, I would have gotten it the day that it launched, just being completely honest. So again, forgive Enzo for being so rude in the background, but hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see any specific content, please suggest it below. I would be glad to hear what you guys want to see, what I can help you with as far as tutorials or swatches, recommendations, anything like that. Just, you know, drop a comment below. Help me out. Help me decide what to do next. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.